Hey there, welcome to our new tutorial. Today, we're diving into the creation of a gorgeous, filterable gallery using our Essential Grid Shopify app. So, let's jump right in and start from scratch. Head over to your Shopify dashboard and choose the Essential Grid Gallery from the Apps section. Welcome to the Essential Grid Gallery dashboard. Next, we're going to import a filterable template from the library. Click on the Create Grid from Template. These are our 3 current templates. Click on Available Templates to view those included in your free plan. We are importing this template. Now click on the Install Add-ons button. The template has been imported. Let's proceed to open the imported grid. These are the grid settings. This is where you can personalize and customize your grid. Copy this grid ID. Next, let's get this grid gallery onto our Shopify homepage. And, of course, remember to save your grid after importing from the template. Let's go to the Shopify Theme Customize Editor. Click on the Add section. Then go to the App tab. Select Grid Gallery. Paste here Gallery ID. Now let's see what's happening. We've got our imported filterable gallery displayed on the home page. Let's take a look at the live preview. Here's the fantastic filterable grid gallery we've just created, right there on the home page. Let's add our images to the grid, replacing the demo ones. Go to the Edit element. Click Change Image button. And uploading our image. Head over to the Item Data tab and update the button name from this field. Now we are changing the button name. And then edit the image title. Click Update and Refresh Grid button. We've successfully updated the grid image and button text. Time to include custom links in our grid image. Go to Edit Elements again. Here's where we'll place our custom link. We're adding our product collection page URL. Copying the page link. And paste the link here. Saving changes, simply click the Save Grid button. Our grid changes have been saved perfectly. Let's take another look in the live preview. Here are our latest image and text updates. Now click on the image. Our custom link is working perfectly. Next, create a custom filter for this grid. Go to Edit Elements again. Head to Item Settings and click Add New Filter. Then, add the filter name. Now click Add Category button. We're choosing our new filter. This image will be displayed under the shoe category. Click on the Update and Refresh Grid button. Now, we have to enable our newly created filter. Go to the Navigation Filter Sort tab. After that, just scroll down a bit to reach the available grid filter. Here's the shoe filter we made. Just check the box to enable it. You can rearrange the filter position by simply dragging and dropping. Now saving our grid changes. Let's check out our recent updates in the live preview. You'll notice our newly created filter and image displayed in that grid. This method makes it easy to craft your custom filter grid gallery using the Essential Grid Gallery app. If you have any questions about this app, please leave them in the comment box below. Thanks for watching this tutorial. We appreciate your time and look forward to seeing you in the next video.